Dr. Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's breathing. He seems to be having difficulty breathing, especially when lying down.
That's concerning, Mihira. Can you describe the nature of his breathing? Is it labored, wheezing, or gasping?
It's a bit labored, and I've noticed some wheezing sounds. He's also coughing frequently.
Has he had any recent illnesses or exacerbations of his underlying conditions?
He has a history of asthma, and his symptoms have been worsening over the past few days.
It sounds like he might be experiencing an asthma exacerbation. We'll need to assess his lung function and consider increasing his medication.
I've already administered a bronchodilator, but there hasn't been much improvement.
We might need to adjust his medication or consider additional treatments. Mihira, let's reassess him in a few hours and see if there's any improvement. Mihira, I understand your concern about your child's ear. It sounds like we might be dealing with some earwax buildup, which is a very common issue, especially in children. I want to explain the process of earwax removal so you know what to expect and can feel more comfortable. There are a couple of gentle ways we can do this. Sometimes we use a very small, specialized suction device. It works a bit like a tiny vacuum cleaner, carefully drawing out the wax. Alternatively, we might use irrigation with warm water. This involves gently flushing the ear canal with lukewarm water to soften and wash out the wax. Both of these methods are usually quite quick, often just a few minutes. Your child might feel a slight discomfort or a tickling sensation as we work, but it shouldn't be painful. There's also a minor risk of feeling a bit dizzy immediately afterwards, especially with the irrigation method, but this typically passes very quickly. We encourage you, as the parent, to stay with your child during the entire procedure. Your presence can be incredibly reassuring for them, helping them feel safe and calm, which in turn makes the process smoother for everyone. We'll talk them through every step and make sure they're as comfortable as possible.